Today we're looking at the top 5 sewing machines for home use that deserve the hype. I'm cutting through all the online noise to show you the machines that actually deliver, from tough workhorses that handle denim and quilts to feature-packed machines that make delicate fabrics look perfect. If you're tired of wasting money on machines that don't perform, this video will show you exactly which ones are worth it. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4423, the no-nonsense workhorse. Let's start with the classic, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. At first glance, it doesn't scream sexy, no touchscreen, no bells, no gimmicks. But that's exactly why it earns its hype. This is the machine that people recommend when they need a dependable, powerful, and almost indestructible home machine. The motor alone is impressive. It runs up to 1,100 stitches per minute, which is significantly faster than most entry-level machines. That's not just a number. You can literally push it through thick denim, canvas tote bags, multiple layers of quilting, and even thin leather without hesitation. This is one of the few budget-friendly machines that gives you that kind of strength without stuttering or skipping stitches. It comes with 23 essential stitches, including utility stitches, stretch stitches, decorative stitches, and a one-step automatic buttonhole. Some people dismiss it as limited, but in reality, most home sewists never use more than these, and when you're sewing seriously, it's more about reliability than options. The metal frame and stainless steel bed plate give it stability most cheap machines lack, and the vibration is surprisingly low considering the speed. The front-loading bobbin may look intimidating at first, but it's far more consistent under heavy loads than many modern drop-in bobbins. Combine that with adjustable presser foot pressure and aggressive feed dogs, and suddenly it handles every type of fabric from chiffon to multi-layered denim quilts. The hype exists because it's simply bulletproof for home use. No fancy screens to break, no confusing menus to navigate, just solid mechanical engineering that delivers results every time. For a price around $180 to $200, it's nearly unbeatable in the reliability versus cost category. Number 4. Brother CS7000X, the beginner-friendly but seriously capable machine. The Brother CS7000X is often hyped as a beginner-friendly machine, but the reality is it's much more than that. It's a perfect bridge between entry-level simplicity and full-featured versatility, which is why it keeps earning positive reviews years after release. This machine offers 70 built-in stitches, covering utility, stretch, quilting, decorative, and heirloom options, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. But the real value isn't the number of stitches, it's how consistently the machine produces them. The LCD screen tells you exactly what stitch is selected, its width, length, and recommended presser foot. This saves time and removes the guesswork that often frustrates beginners or casual sewists. The top-loading bobbin is easy to thread, holds consistent tension across fabrics, and is reliable even during long sewing sessions. The adjustable presser foot pressure lets you switch smoothly between light fabrics like silk or cotton and mid-weight fabrics like denim or canvas. It comes with a detachable wide table, which is essential if you're sewing larger projects like quilts, curtains, or table linens, and includes 10 different presser feet, including walking foot, zipper foot, quilting foot, and buttonhole foot. These accessories aren't just marketing fluff, they actually expand what you can do from day one. The hype for the CS7000X is real because it's forgiving, reliable, and versatile without feeling fragile or overly complex. Beginners can learn on it without frustration, and more advanced sewists can grow into it. It's priced around $200 to $250, which makes it an incredible value considering all the features and usability. Number 3. Bernette B77, the professional home upgrade. The Bernette B77 is where home sewing starts to feel serious. The hype here isn't just marketing. Quilters, home garment makers, and sewing enthusiasts consistently praise it for one simple reason: it handles complexity and delivers consistency across any project. This machine includes over 500 built-in stitches and 17 one-step buttonholes, all fully adjustable in length, width, and density. The stitches aren't gimmicks, they're actually useful for a wide range of projects, from quilting and home decor to clothing construction. What really sets it apart is the dual feed system. Unlike most home machines that pull fabric only from the bottom, the B77 grips fabric from both top and bottom. That means slippery fabrics like satin, multiple layers of quilting, or tricky synthetics move evenly without puckering or misalignment. That alone justifies much of the hype among experienced sewists. The 5-inch full-color touchscreen isn't just for show. It guides you on stitch selection, recommended presser foot, and tension adjustments, which saves time and ensures professional results without a ton of trial and error. Combine that with an extension table, adjustable presser foot pressure, and multiple included presser feet, and you're looking at a machine that is as capable as some small commercial models. The frame is mostly metal, keeping vibration low at even high speed, and the presser foot lifts higher than most home machines, which is a blessing when working with thick quilts or layered fabrics. The hype exists because it's reliable, powerful, versatile, and genuinely expands what you can do at home without needing industrial equipment. Number 2. JUKI TL-2000Qi, the semi-industrial home machine. This is the semi-industrial straight-stitch monster that earns almost cult-like praise. The hype isn't marketing fluff. It's earned because of precision, power, and durability. It's a straight-stitch only machine, but that's not a limitation, it's a feature. The motor is microcomputer controlled and high torque, providing 1,500 stitches per minute with perfect consistency, even on heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, or multiple quilt layers. There's almost zero vibration thanks to its aluminum die-cast body, which allows long sewing sessions without fatigue or misalignment. It includes foot-operated thread cutter, knee lifter, adjustable presser foot pressure, and a massive extension table, giving it workflow advantages usually reserved for industrial machines. The drop feed system allows free motion quilting with ease, while the thread tension and needle clamp maintain perfect stitch formation across fabrics. This machine earns its hype because it handles heavy and complex projects without complaining, making it ideal for serious sewists who work on quilts, layered garments, and home decor. The build quality and reliability are so high that many users report decades of trouble-free use. Number 1. Janome MC6650, the home machine that thinks like a pro. The Janome MC6650 sits at the top of this list for a reason. It delivers professional-level capabilities in a home-friendly package, and the hype is fully deserved. It comes with 170 built-in stitches, including 2 alphabets, fully adjustable in length, width, and density, plus an automatic tension system that adapts to different fabrics without constant adjustment. The Superior Feed System Plus keeps fabrics moving evenly, whether you're sewing lightweight silk, thick denim, or multi-layered quilts. The metal flatbed and massive extension table create a stable workspace for large projects, while LED lighting ensures there are no shadows over your work. Features like one-touch needle plate conversion, automatic needle threading, adjustable presser foot pressure, 7-piece feed dog system, and stitch memory make this machine exceptionally convenient for extended sessions and complex projects. Multiple presser feet for walking, quilting, zippers, and general use are included, making it versatile for almost any home sewing task. It runs up to 1,000 stitches per minute, fast enough for efficiency but controllable for precision. The hype exists because the MC6650 does everything exceptionally well: power, precision, durability, versatility, without forcing you to compromise. Serious sewists recognize it as a machine that can replace multiple others, handle professional quality work at home, and last for years without major issues. Final thoughts. So yes, these machines get hyped for good reasons. They aren't just marketing stunts. They've earned attention because of reliability, power, consistency, and real-world versatility. Whether you want a simple workhorse, a beginner-friendly machine, or a semi-professional powerhouse, each of these top 5 models delivers results that justify all the buzz. If you've tried any of these machines or are deciding between them, share your experience in the comments, because real-world insight beats hype every time.